Alright, good afternoon everybody. This is Elliot from Boucher Hyundai in Waukesha with our 2015 Hyundai Tucson GLS all-wheel drive. Graphite gray metallic, beige two-tone on the interior. It's 2.0 liter, 6-speed automatic with overdrive. Again, all-wheel drive. 2015 Hyundai Tucson GLS Certified Preowned. Going through its 115-point certification, gets you all the remaining factory warranty. This car has 46,257 miles, still remaining 81 months, or roughly 54,000. It's in amazing condition. Again, this is the 2015 Tucson GLS all-wheel drive, certified pre-owned. It does have keyless entry, which is nice as well. Remote start to start the car in the winter time. Back seats fold all the way down with a 60-40 split. Of course, does go all the way down. It's the beige two-tone. It's like a dark brown and a lighter brown. Very pretty. iPad and auxiliary ports. Downhill assist. Four-wheel drive lock. And again, what's nice with this vehicle is the keyless entry and remote start. So let's lock it here. It was very nice to have a remote start there. Again, this is the 2015 Hyundai Tucson GLS all-wheel drive. Roughly 46,000 miles, certified pre-owned, CarFax, one owner, no damage, no accidents. You still get the remaining factory warranty. Again, this is Elliot from Boucher Hyundai in Waukesha, 262-522-1000, 262-522-1000.